Hello guys, you're super welcome back to my channel, the Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulous channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Alright guys, so check below, you see the subscribe button. Please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this amazing channel, and I tell you that you won't regret it guys. So on today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 3 things that will beautify your skin: a face cleanser, a scrub, and then a toner mask. My lovely friends, I really need to encourage you. I need to encourage you on one thing, and that one thing is feed your skin. Most people are eating 5 times today. 5 good times. Okay, 10 good times. My lips is saying 5 times and my hands are saying 10 times. Someone that is watching this video has eaten 10 times today. So how many times have you fed your skin? Tell me. When you're watching this video now, fast forwarding, calm down and listen to the instructions step by step. As you are doing this, you're listening to the instructions step by step. There is no way you will skip any instruction. This very particular cleanser, scrub, and then mask I'm going to show you, it must surely work. I found out that a lot of people, what they do is that they don't really pay attention to their skin. You know, you feed yourself every day. If you pay attention to your skin, even if it's 3 times a week, it's something. There's no way you will not reap. There is no way you will not reap. You cannot reap where you did not sow. Yeah, nobody can reap where he or she did not sow. I think one day I'm gonna make a video on how to, like, what it takes to get a glowing skin. I'll make a video on that. Even me, as I'm talking to you, I'm talking to myself, because I have all these receipts, and most times I feel I don't maximize the opportunity, the knowledge. I feel I don't maximize the knowledge I have enough. Like, if I'm really maximizing the knowledge I have on all this skin therapy and all of this, I tell you, I'll be like a mirror. But me too, I have to also talk to myself, because we don't feed ourselves. Like, we don't feed ourselves. At least me, I'm even trying a little bit. But some people, they don't even try at all. A lot of people will not want to watch it to the end. They'll keep skipping and skip the vital information away. Then tell me, how is it gonna work? There's no way it will work, because as I'm going, what I want to show you is what I did within the week, how I pampered my skin. You know, most times when I want to do this kind of thing, it's a free day for me. The illustration is just on my face, but I did it on my whole body. And maybe you can be doing the facials maybe like 3 times a week, and maybe whole body scrub like once a week. I show you one thing, that these secrets I'm going to be sharing with you on this video is going to change your skin forever. And if you try this, I tell you that you are going to love your skin, guys. You will love your skin, I can assure you that. So let's jump right into this video. So guys, please don't mind my tomato, don't mind the way this tomato is looking. I don't know if I bought them with my eyes closed or open, because I just can't. In fact, I don't understand how I bought this tomato. Like, it's not looking good at all, but I'll just have to manage it this way. So please try and buy very ripe and good looking tomato. This one was just a very huge mistake on my side. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and then slice my tomato and blend, because I'll be needing tomato for majority of what I'm gonna be doing today. So guys, stay tuned and follow up so that you will not miss any of the vital information. So guys, my tomato paste is ready, and next I have here with me milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix my face cleanser. So I'm gonna be needing 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and also 1 tablespoon of milk. Tomatoes are an abundant source of vitamin A, B, and C, potassium and magnesium, and valuable antioxidants trace elements. This cleanser is highly acidic because of the lactic acid in the milk and fruit acid in the tomato. Gives this cleansing lotion a gentle peeling action, so I will advise you to test it on your hands for any possible allergic reaction before using it on your face. So guys, after getting your hair out of the way, you go ahead and apply. Use it to clean your face, clean every part of your face. Generously apply and clean every part of your face. As you're cleaning your face, once you notice that the cotton wool is dirty, you throw it away, change it, and then start cleaning with another one till you clean your face in such a way that you have gotten rid of all the dirt. Then you know that your face is now ready for step number 2. Please don't mind my chewing gum. I was feeling a little bit lazy, so I decided to chew this gum so that it will help me. Whenever I'm feeling lazy, I just chew gum so that it can just help me. The next thing now is sugar scrub. So this should be like equivalent of 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. You can either use white or brown sugar. So next I added was gram flour. Then you go ahead and mix very well. The last thing I'm going to be needing for this scrub is tomato paste. So you're going to go ahead and mix very well. Sugar acts as the main scrub part, removing the dead skin cells and regenerating fresh new ones. Tomatoes are extremely rich in the potent antioxidants lycopene, which is mostly found in tomato or tomato-based products such as tomato ketchup or tomato puree. Gram flour, on the other hand, would do so well for this scrub by removing tan, exfoliate dead skin cells as well, remove fine facial hair, and can also boost instant fairness. So guys, you can either use a cotton pad or slice your tomato into 2, then you use it to scrub your face. While I prefer using tomato is because it's more gentle on the skin. So you're gonna go ahead and exfoliate. Make sure you touch every nook and cranny of your face to make sure you check back all those dead skin cells to where they rightfully belong. I hope you know that the dead skin cells doesn't belong to your face because they are dead and they don't need to be on your face, guys. So go ahead and do this and wait for the next and final step. So for the next and final steps, I'm going to be needing lemon. So go ahead and squeeze your lemon inside a bowl. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, so they can help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant for neutralizing free radicals and boosting collagen production. So you're going to carefully remove every seed so it don't cause bruises while you're applying this on your face. So this should be equivalent to 1.5 tablespoon. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is gram flour. We are going to be needing gram flour again for the second time. You know, I told you the benefits of gram flour earlier on this video. So you're just going to go ahead and give it a nice stir and then add tomato paste. I also told you the benefits of tomato paste earlier. So you're just going to go ahead and mix very well to form a very smooth paste. The next thing I'm gonna be adding is honey. I'm so super excited. I'm gonna be adding honey to this mixture because anytime I apply honey on my face, it's just so super amazing. The benefits is out of this world. Is just beyond explanation, guys. So honey is a natural antibacterial, so it's great for acne treatment and prevention. It's also an anti-aging mask full of antioxidants. It is great for slowing down aging, boosts complexion, and is extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it helps create a natural glow. So guys, you're gonna go ahead and clean your face with a warm towel, as this will help in opening up your skin pores for a very good penetration of the face mask into your skin. Alright guys, I've finished rinsing off my face. Can you see the glow? The glow is real. It's real guys. You saw how I started from the beginning. You saw how my face was looking. Look at the transformation. Look at the glow. It's almost unbelievable. Almost unbelievable. Everywhere is just looking so smooth, so nice. I just can't explain this. When you use it, then you will be able to see for yourself that this is one of the amazing face masks that you can ever think about. So tell me, if your face is looking this smooth and glowing, won't you want to go out without makeup? Won't you want to just go and rock your face a little bit without wearing any makeup? So guys, this is so lovely, and I will advise you guys to try this out and let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. So for now, you can even see the difference between my face and my neck. You can see the glow. The difference is just so visible. It's just so clear, and I am so loving this. I am so loving this. Yeah, I am. Alright, my beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing, and see you on my next video. Stay beautiful.